guys. Hi, now we're going to do the unboxing of Barbie again. This is Barbie what? Barbie Girl Power. Barbie Girl Power, right? Look, the Barbie inside and hold the what? Dog or cat? Dog. And then this like a mattress. Yeah. And then this is a bag and a dumble. Right? So I think she's going to the gym. What do you think? Yeah, exercising. And then that's the drinking water. That's the drinking water. Okay? Let's open now. Let's open. You want to open or me? Alright. I will open it for you, darling. So who's the name you want to give? Huh? Any idea? What? Sunny. Sunny? Alright. Sunny. Hi, Sunny. Let's open. Oh, it comes with hula hoop also. Look. That's the hula hoop. Barbie Dream Power. Okay. I will open it. First I open the feet. Alright. And then I try to open the hair. Alright, it's already released. The dog also. Okay, I got the dog for you first. Oh, wait. Hi dog. Hi dog. Okay, this is the dog. But the dog also holding the dumble. Look. Wait, you have to. They cannot see. Put here. Yeah, look. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, this is the hula hoop. Alright, and then
there's a Barbie on it.
What? Oh, the symbol of Barbie?
Yeah.
Okay. The logo of Barbie. Alright. Oh, the Barbie, wait. Okay, so this is the Barbie. Wait, it's still stuck here. Okay. Hi. Holding the gym dumbbell, I mean.
Open.
What? You want to open the dumbbell? Okay. Okay, this is dumbbell. Okay.
We also got a watch.
Oh, watch. Yeah, show the watch. Look, the watch. And then this is the bag. You can put the dumbbell inside. And then it comes with dumbbell too. Another dumbbell. I think this is for the dog, the small one, and the big one. The big one, sorry guys, sorry. The big one also is for this, okay?
Sorry guys, you didn't look.
Yeah. Okay, now this is another dumbbell.
Whoop.
Okay, look guys, this is another dumbbell, and then this is the drinking bottle. Look, the drinking bottle, and then the last part that we need to open is the mattress. Look, this is the mattress. You open? Can you open? That's the, yeah, so it will not open. Oh, so the Barbie Girl Power can use it like for yoga or something else, right? Like the one that you have at home. Maybe just like this. The other side. Ah. Okay. Alright. Hey, I forgot one more thing here. What is this?
Snack.
This is the snake.
Back to roll.
Should I take it?
Yep.
Okay, this is the snake.
Put it
Guys.
back.
Oh, put it back. Okay, this is how to put it back, guys. You just roll it. After you roll it, and then you put here. Okay? And then it will be like this. Okay. So that's the Barbie Girl Power. So this is the Barbie Girl Power. Comes with the dog, the mattress, the dumbbell for Barbie, and then the dumbbell for the dog also, and then the big bag, and then the mattress, and then the hula hoop. Don't forget. Okay, that's it for now. Okay?
I'm packing.
Carrot is packing. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Oops. Oops. It is? It's okay? The dog holding? Okay. Alright.